Welcome back to Afternoon Live. Well, if you've had it with your midsection and done everything you can but see no results, we have a solution for you today. Welcome back to the show. From Aesthetic Medicine, Dr. Jerry Darm and his patient, Heather Trendler here. Hey, guys.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fantastic. Welcome back. It's good to see you.
Thank you so much.
And it's good to see you, Heather.
Thank you. Nice to see you, too.
Well, thank you. I want to talk to you, though, about lipo procedure. I'm glad you agreed to come on and talk to us a little bit about that. I understand that you worked out, tried all sorts of things, and just couldn't seem to get rid of that area.
Yep. I work out 5 days a week, and then I work out at home, and just nothing was changing. My stomach, my sides were primarily what I was going for. So
yeah. So what led you to the decision to actually go ahead on and have a procedure?
Actually, I was in the room waiting to do some filler in my lips and some Botox, and I was sitting in there and saw the commercial, and I thought I'd ask him when I saw him, and he said I was a great candidate, so I signed up and had the procedure the next day.
Awesome. Well, okay, I'm going to come back to you, but now that you mentioned being a candidate, Dr. Darm, talk to us about who would be a good candidate for lipo.
Anybody that has, excess fat between the skin and the muscle, any place almost, can be a good candidate. The neck is a great area, abs, flanks, under the arm.
Oh, yeah.
In the medial thigh is a terrific area that we do a lot. So,
oh, look at these pictures. Okay, so
Heather didn't have a huge amount, but it really bugged her. And like a lot of people, she was spending hundreds of hours in the gym trying to get rid of it. It just wouldn't go. So we always tell patients, 2 hours in the clinic is worth 2,000 hours in the gym.
I like that.
I know. Might be a little bit of an exaggeration.
Well, but still.
Not that I'm not encouraging people to go to the gym.
Right.
But when it comes to just getting rid of that last little bit, and that's we see this a lot.
Yeah, it can be difficult. I mean, I had 3 kids, and I know all about trying to work it off, and it just doesn't seem to all either go away or ever get back to the way it was.
Right.
That's the part that I don't like.
Yeah.
It's like, what happened? They ruined me. But so talk to me about the procedure. Like, walk me through it a little bit so we can get a better understanding of what you went through.
Yeah, I walked in and got prepped. I was in and out in about 2.5 hours or so.
Wow, really, just like that?
You're wide awake. You don't need anesthetic. We don't need an IV. So it's a very, very safe. We've done over 20,000 of these procedures.
Really? From not just the abs
not just
area?
the abs, but the necks and so on. But we've done 20,000, and we've had very, very, very few side effects to speak of.
Do you have to come back again for follow-up, or,
There was the next day.
Oh, okay.
I had a follow-up, and then about a few weeks later was...
And how about the downtime?
For me, it was about 3 days.
Oh.
Yeah.
Shoot, I'm down for 3 days after a mean sit-up session. So, I mean, that's nothing.
In fact, that's what we tell patients, is it feels like you did 50 sit-ups afterwards. And that's, isn't that accurate, don't you think?
Yeah.
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 And that, usually do it on Friday, back to work on a Monday. So it's very, very typical. And it's very minimally invasive. So, plus it tightens the skin. That's the other thing about the procedure that's unique and unusual, is because it's a laser that goes underneath the skin. So it melts the fat, but it tightens the skin at the same time. So that's why it's just such a terrific.
Yeah.
Patients love it.
Not a lot of time.
No.
Hardly any risk. You get in, you get out, you can go back to work.
Yeah, I've gone from, before this procedure, I was a size 8 and a large shirt, and now after, I am a size 2 and a small.
What?
Yes, I love it.
Sign me up.
Right?
Okay,
Wow.
sounds good to me.
That's
okay,
amazing.
this is fantastic.
I
So I know that this has piqued your interest. So Aesthetic Medicine is located on Meadows Road in Lake Oswego. For more information, call 503-697-9777. Or, of course, you can head to our website at katu.com. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.